Hi, I'm Suzanne, a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in Canada. Welcome to my weekly Monday Makes video on my blog and YouTube channel. The card designs I share today are simple, fun, and easy to recreate. I also sell the products I feature in this video. I hope you enjoy my free video tutorial and would love to see you shop with me. For today's card, I'm featuring the stamp set called Everything Amazing, as well as the Dino Roar Designer Series paper you'll find on page 166 of the annual catalog. The Everything Amazing stamp set has this big scripty amazing stamp in it, and you can switch out the sentiment, so it's actually really versatile. Today I decided to pull out my Stamparatus. I rarely use the Stamparatus because I want you to know that you don't have to have it to have a successful stamping session. And also you can see that my light ring there. It really shows up. So I apologize, but I wanted to do this little technique. It's just an inking technique. I have the amazing stamp on there on the door, and I first inked it up with Pretty Peacock, and then I sort of softened that edge with like sort of a dried up baby wipe. And then I went in with Pool Party and I softened the transition point with that somewhat dry baby wipe. And then I went and also added the Pretty Peacock again on the outside. So the middle part of the Amazing is actually lighter than the ends. And then I was able to put the wishing you an birthday sentiments on there, and I was able to ink it up twice, so I got a really nice impression. I used Memento Tuxedo Black ink for that. Then I actually took the foam pad that was in the Stamparatus, and you can see I'm using it to stamp on. It just had it there handy, and sometimes you get a better impression when you're using photopolymer stamp sets with a foam squishy pad underneath. So I use Pool Party, Pretty Peacock, Old Olive, Pineapple Punch, Mango Melody, Flirty Flamingo, and Lovely Lipstick. And then I fussy cut those hearts out, if you can imagine that, and the sentiment as well. So here comes the Dino Roar Designer Series paper. I did get all of those colors from the coordinating colors in the paper, and that's what I used to stamp with. That was Molly who walked across the screen there. She was deciding to help me, and if you stay to the very end, I've tried to get her to get into the video again. Anyway, so I've put Stampin' Dimensionals on the back of my fussy cut sentiment, and then I'm just going to rearrange these colorful little hearts. I put some just flat on the card. I felt that this was a very colorful, fun, it could be a kid's birthday, but it just feels to me like a celebration. So 4 of the hearts I actually popped up on dimensionals, and it took me a while to figure out the placement, but I finally got it. And then I went over with Wink of Stella and I tried to get some of that color moving. Sometimes you can make the color move with your Wink of Stella, and it actually gives a little bit more dimension to your stamped images. Anyway, that's my card for today. Thanks so much for joining me, and I'll catch you again soon. Bye for now. Oh, Molly says bye too. Hey, thanks for sticking around to the end of the video. On screen are 2 more videos for inspiration. Click on the maple leaf for my blog, or click on me to subscribe to my channel. Thanks again for watching.